Morning, doctor. I'm your lab student. Nama saya Richard Jiang Yoting. Matrix saya A1995 Today I'm gonna introduce about my assignment 3. It's a order managing system. Now I'm gonna start to install this program on my computer. Click next to install this program. This is the actual path of this program's location for everyone. Need a confirmation for administer. Okay. Now we are finishing the installation, and there is the shortcut to do this program, to this managing order system. Now we start the program. So as we can see, the main menu is a free data grid view, and we can click the button to choose which item, which form we want to view. And each of the view we can choose the item like this, and the item will display at the text box at the bottom. And now we want to view the product. We can click the product form and choose the product ID. This is the product ID, and click the view product. Now we can see every product which have in this form, and each product is have a related pictures. Now if you want to edit the form, you can click the edit, and you can actually type on the data grid view. And if you click the finish edit, it will turn to the read-only mode. And you can also view the picture dictionary to add the picture about according to the product ID manually. Now I'm gonna introduce the order history system. In this, click this button, and it will bring a new Windows form. And in this Windows form, you can view all the history orders you have been made in this system. Here is the furthermore information about each invoice, and you can copy that. And as you can see, if you click on this, it will real-time changing the information and bring the data from the database to the invoice. And this is a picture box with unlimited labels, and it can show the data properly on one form, but data is real-time changing. It's based on your clicking. It's based on your choosing item. It also can edit and finish edit. And now I'm gonna introduce the making order system. So in this system, you can build a new order and relating invoice for this. As we can see, they have a two data grid view at the top, and have the add and the deal button, and at the bottom of this quantity label, you can choose the item. You can choose the quantity for each item. Now we start to create a new invoice, new order. as we can see, it's a plus button. We click this, and it will it will automatically key in the current information about the date and the time. If we and we can also click, it will update. And nama saya Jiang Yu King. Phone number saya 0 email address college Ibu Zain, and order ID. After click this button, it will scan the most orders in the database, and it will automatically generate a new one, which is add the one for the biggest order in the database. And for the start name, we can choose any. It's free to choose, and it will display the stop ID. And now we already to get ready to choose the item. For example, we choose this classic gold. This is the price, and we click add. Oh, we need to choose and click add. It will get the information in this order product data view, and the order subtotal and the total price will display and update real time. After the value, it detects the values changed in this program, it will also update. For example, if I add the second, third item, fourth item, it will also change. As long as it detects the instead value changed, it will update. And now we are choosing about the quantity for each item. The first item, quantity 8, it will change. And for the second item, I want to 13. For third item, I want to 6. For next, I want to 18. And you can add more, but at least the most item it can contain is 10 item. Yeah, it's 10 item. You can add the same item, but not you can add the same item in this Innovis. And you can also delete the item you choose. If you make a wrong order, you can also modify that. Now key in the red one. Okay, and now we choose about the furthermore information about this order. The first one is the insurance. The insurance you can choose no, and you can choose the standard, semi-covered, full covered. At first Malaysia, the best one. We choose the best one, and it will display the price for each com box, and the price will real-time update to there. You can see it will also update to total and subtotal only for the item's price. For the delivery fee, we choose the premium, and membership, we choose the premium. The discount, we choose the 25% premium, and this will also update. And tax, 4% for purchase tax and service fee. we choose the 13% premium series. And now we are finishing. I did the order, and now we can click the build invoice to show the information there, and build the invoice. As you can see, all information are automatically filled in the invoice form. And if you want to change the invoice, or you want to clear this invoice, you can click the button reset the invoice. And for this one, if I want to add it, I forgot to type Richard. Richard is my English name. And now build the invoice. My name will update. Now we are finishing. I did the information and already bring the information into service, and we can now we can save the invoice. And after you save the invoice, it will bring the information you are success saving. But if you misclick again, it will remind you duplicate information. It means all information are same. And at the database, it won't click new information for same data, same ID. It will only remind you the duplicate information. But if you want to renew the database in the data, if we renew the data in the database, you just redo the progress and click save invoice again. For example, my tail number is wrong. I click 909 and reset the invoice, build the invoice. My already updated in the invoice form, and save invoice. It will remind you, would you like to update the furthermore information? Click yes, and it will update the information in the database. And now we click this to close this window and view the order history. Filter from the order ID. Now we can see that the form we just create. We can see the invoice and furthermore information, address, correct form, email, customer name, date, all correct, and we see the invoice is correct. This one is simple invoice, and this one is my invoice. Alright, this is my project for assignment 3. Thank you very much, Doctor. Happy New Year, Doctor.